Mickey's Tea. My name is Mickey, here bringing you guys with another video here on Mickey's Tea. Guys, today I'm going to be doing my sister's hair. We're doing the butterfly locks for the first time, so you guys are gonna see me struggle, but at the end of the day, I didn't stop, I didn't give up. I was able to accomplish the look. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop it down below, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Alrighty guys, the first thing we're going to need is the hair. You're gonna need 6-pack of the hair. Second thing is your olive oil shine spray. Next thing, you're gonna need a crochet needle. And then the next thing is going to be your edge control. I use this one, it works really great. The next thing is your scissors. And one other thing I use is the Sulfur 8. I put it in my sister's hair. And then to begin, we are going to just put the grease all over her hair. Make sure it's all in. I did the front part as well, but I did the front part in like the second day of doing her hair. I blow dried it. She had washed her hair and I blow dried it, and then I started going ahead and doing it. I braided her hair, but at the end I twisted it. I twisted the end because I know like sometimes when you taking out your hair, when it's in like tiny braids like that, it could break your ends. So instead of braiding the ends also, I just twisted it so that it'll be easier for her to take it out. As you can see, I'm going in with the crochet needle. I had to use 2 hair at first, and then I moved on to using 2.5. I cut the string of hair in 2. This is the process of us doing the back. It came out pretty great. It came out pretty great. So this is when I started using the 2.5. I would put the half first and then use the 2 to just wrap it around. I wrap the bottom really tight. Not tight as to like super tight, but I wrap the bottom tighter, and then I just loosen it up as maybe like an inch away from the hair itself. So this is me just wrapping it around, and as I'm wrapping it, I'm using my thumb so I can go ahead and create that butterfly effect to the hair. When I get to the end of the hair, I would tie it. I'm gonna tie the string and then wrap it all the way back up, and then I tie the bottom of it just for extra secure. I just want to make sure that it is secure, and then I wrap that going back up again. As you can see, her hair is not that long, so when she take it out, she is gonna cut it. That's why I was like, it doesn't really affect it if I cut it or not. So this is the bottom, the half of hair that I put in the bottom. As you can see, I am using my thumb to run it through the hair. That way it's a little bit easier than trying to separate it, because then the hair get all tangled up. But if you use your thumb and you use your thumb through it, then it'll be easier. So like you see, I'm using my thumb again to create the butterfly effect. And then I'm gonna tie it when I get to the bottom. I'm just gonna use that, tie it up, and then bring it back up. I didn't really measure each length of the hair because I wanted her to have kind of like layers, and not everything be the same length. So I tie it up and then I just wrap it back up. I'm making sure that I'm wrapping it back up in the same direction that I was wrapping it in the first place. As you can see, I started the front and then now I'm going back to the middle. I was actually trying to just do something to cover up because I wanted to go to my brother's party, but that didn't happen. So this is us on Sunday morning trying to finish up. So I'm doing the same thing. I would put the half of hair in the bottom so we can give it like a thicker finish, and then just using my thumb to give it that butterfly effect. And then I'm just tying it, and then I'm just gonna wrap it back up again. This is the smaller piece. I only used 6-pack of hair, and I'm not sure how long it took us in total to do it because we didn't finish it all in one day. If your hair is long and it's like hitting the length that you're doing it, I wouldn't advise that you tie up that bottom piece, because then it's like when you're taking it out, it's going to be a little hard to take it out. This is the smaller hair. I used the thinner side of the hair, I put it down, and then the thicker side is at the bottom of the root. And then here I go with my 2 string of hair combined, and I just pull it. One of them is a shorter length, and then the other one is the longer length. I take the longer length and I just wrap it around. Like I said, in the bottom, I make sure that it's tight and that it's neater. And then when I'm about 1 inch away from the hair itself, I go ahead and use my thumb to give it that butterfly effect. Then it will get tied up in my arm because the hair is like rubbing against each other, and I just use my thumb, I just pull it out and then I go back. This is me just doing her edges. After we were done, I'm using the edge fixer. As you guys can see, I'm not really a master at doing edges, So I'm just here doing my best. My other sister did not come to the rescue here. There she is. And lastly, I just used the olive oil spray. Give it a little shining, you know, and we're all set. This is the finished product. She was really happy. This hairstyle was done because she had to go back on camera on the 14th of December. So I'm really happy that she ended up liking the style. And as you can see, all of them is not the same length. I wanted her to have layers. Thank you again for watching. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.